So today our special services team was building bikes. We were building 12 total bikes, and we are donating them back to the campuses to use for student incentives. So our theme for today was geared together, because we all have to work together. All of us have different vital parts that we have to all come together so that we can be a team for us to be successful for our students, our special education students. So from the back people who are sending paperwork home to parents, to all of our related service staff, maybe our teachers of the deaf working with students, our speech pathologists, diagnosticians, school psychologists. We have a whole group of about 100 people today working together so that we can do some team building and be prepared for the new year for our students.